Step into personality, the art of self-expression through shoes unveiled. Welcome back, shoe enthusiasts. If you're just joining us, we're knee-deep in exploring the incredible relationship between shoes and self-expression. Now, let's dive even deeper into how the shoes you wear can become a canvas for reflecting your unique personality. Shoes are more than just a practical accessory. They're a form of self-expression, a silent language that communicates volumes about who you are. The styles you choose, the colors you prefer, each element tells a story. Take, for instance, sneakers. Beyond their comfort, they've become a symbol of versatility and a casual, laid-back personality. From classic white kicks to vibrant, attention-grabbing designs, sneakers allow you to showcase your playful side. On the other end of the spectrum, heels can embody confidence and sophistication. Whether you opt for stilettos, block heels, or wedges, the height and style of your heel can speak volumes about your attitude and the image you want to project. Boots, with their rugged charm, evoke a sense of adventure and resilience. Whether it's ankle boots, knee-highs, or combat boots, your choice can reflect your readiness to take on the world. Colors, too, play a crucial role in the language of shoes. Bold and vibrant hues often signify an outgoing and confident personality, while neutral tones may convey a more understated and classic demeanor. Let's not forget about those who march to the beat of their own drum with unconventional shoe choices. Unique designs, funky patterns, and statement accessories on your footwear can be a bold proclamation of your individuality. It's essential to note that the beauty of self-expression through shoes lies in the vast array of options available. Whether you're a sneakerhead, a heel aficionado, or someone who loves to mix and match, there's a shoe for every personality. As we conclude our exploration into the world of shoes and self-expression, remember that the choices you make in footwear are a reflection of your identity. It's not just about fashion, it's about confidently embracing who you are. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the fascinating realm of shoes. If you have a favorite pair that reflects your personality, share it with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of fashion. Until next time, step into each day with style and confidence.